how to darken your skin, how to make your skin go darker. I get this question a lot. I get it a whole lot. So hi Melanine tribe. Welcome back to a new video. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for not posting consistently. But in this video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to make your skin go darker. It's actually weird that people are asking me how to darken their skin or how to make their skin go darker. I actually just tell you guys that, oh, darkening your skin is not like the main thing. If you check comment section, when I reply people, I tell them that the goal is not to darken your skin. The goal is to do what? Maintain a healthy and well moisturized and nourished skin. That's what I tell you guys. But I actually thought about it. I think maybe some of these people asking me this question probably they bleached their skin before, and because I didn't actually think about it in that manner, so I actually thought about it now. So hi guys, if you're watching for the first time, my name is Cherish. I post everything dark skin related, like anything dark skin related, beauty, vlogs, makeup, lifestyle. Okay, if that sounds like something you like to always see, feel free to subscribe. Subscribe now, okay? And follow me on Instagram, still Cherishakogo. Okay, follow me on Instagram. I love to see. Just follow me on Instagram, basically. So, how can you make your skin go darker? First of all, the goal should not be to darken your skin or to make your skin go darker. The goal should be to maintain a healthy, well moisturized and nourished. This video is going to be divided into two segments. It will be for those people that have bleached their skin before and those people that actually want to darken their skin. Okay? So first of all, this is for people that dark skin people that have bleached their skin before and you want your skin, you want your melanin back. Okay, and the first thing to do is start reducing the way you use those products. Anything that you have that lightens your skin or anything, some people say throw them away, but if you just stop using them immediately, your skin might react. It might just be too much for you to deal with and you might just get really discouraged and start over again. Okay, I would say gradually stop using those products that you know bleaches your skin. If you used to use it before in the morning and in the night, start using it just in the morning. Then you buy a really good moisturizer. I'm going to display like moisturizers that you can use, moisturizing products, body lotions that you can use in your skin. These products are made to moisturize your skin, enrich the skin, replenish your skin. All the things that you've lost, this product will provide them back for you. Okay, first of all, I said was stop using those products. Gradually stop using them. If you're using them one day, one morning, then use the normal cream in the evening. Okay, one in the morning, one in the evening, one in the morning. Then gradually you stop using it. Maybe use it today. You use your normal moisturizing body lotion for 3 days. You use it maybe once again gradually until your skin has incorporated the new product that you started using. Okay, now you start using those products. Probably do this for a period of a month. Okay, then after the period, then you start using, if you are using Nivea, if you are using a Palmas, if you are whatever you are using, now you start using that skin loving product, that moisturizer. That's what you start using. Okay, now shea butter or palm kernel oil or really good oils, start using them on your skin. Okay, now when you are healing from this, you should know that you've already damaged your skin, so start putting on sunscreen. Obviously you cannot wear sunscreen on every part of your body, but try as much as possible your face, your neck, places that you know that will get exposed by the sun, start using them. Okay, basically I'm giving you a rundown on how to recover from bleach and everything, but this method is it's a way in which your skin will go back to what it used to be before. Your melanin will start to come back. Okay, stop using those products and start incorporating. If you want to heal from, like, say, bleach, I have a video on how to heal your skin after bleaching. Hopefully I'm going to link it to this video. Okay, so that is one way to naturally darken your skin. Slowly transition from what your bleaching product to healthy product. Stop bleaching in essence. Okay, another way to darken your skin or to make your skin go darker is by sitting under the sun. Expose your skin to the sun. Now understand this, when you sit down under the sun kind of will I say burn your skin. Now your skin in a way to react to protecting itself. Okay, your skin will react to the the sun, it will try to start protecting itself because of the damage the sun is doing to your skin. Now the excess exposure to the sun will make your skin produce excess melanin. Do you understand me? Nobody's asking to go and sit under the sun because the sun will damage your skin. I don't even advise it. Do not sit under the sun for a long period of hours. And even if you are sitting under the sun, probably maybe you went to the beach, use SPF, use sunscreen, okay, to prevent your skin from the further damage that UV will cause. Okay. Another safe way to darken your skin is to use this artificial tanning product, probably tanning lotions or tanning sprays to make your skin look darker temporarily. Okay. So in conclusion, if you are somebody that did not fall into any of these categories, or you just feel want to really make your skin darker because you have seen a celebrity or an influencer that has a very dark skin and you want that, everybody is unique. You can't be this person, you can't be that person. Be yourself, okay? Embrace your own skin, love yourself, be your own kind of beautiful. I can't be very dark as I cannot possibly be as dark as Night or somebody. I just need to embrace my own shade, my own everything. So love yourself, embrace your skin type, embrace your skin shade, embrace your skin color, embrace everything about you. Now start using skin loving products. Use oils, use butters, use everything. You start loving how your skin looks. Okay? It's not until it is lighter or it is darker that your skin looks. Okay, so basically just have a healthy skin routine. Okay, I really hope I was able to answer your questions. I really hope, and if you still have any question, ask me, okay, about darkening your skin, and I'll answer you. So we've come to the end of this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Like this video, share, give it a thumbs up if you actually like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.